Tired of manually tracking your stock portfolio in a spreadsheet? In this video, we'll build a web app to do it for you, and I'll show you how to efficiently manage financial data with Flask and MongoDB. I'm going to walk you through Stockard, a personal stock portfolio tracker I built from scratch. We'll pay special attention to the database design, bulk data operations, and how Flask ties everything together. We'll start by exploring the app's main features and dive into Python code and MongoDB logic that power it. And finally, we'll run a live demo of the entire workflow. Now it's the code explanation part. So this is app.py. So in this function, we can see I use Blueprint to make our coding more easier to repair because it's break down into small module. And this is for main and this is for auth. And the function right here is I can get the price update by schedule with this function. And this is if I want to start the project. This section right here will start the project. And as for auth.py, and this part right here will check the username and password exist or not. And if it hasn't existed yet, it will create the account. And this is the login part. And check if the username and password valid or not. And this is for logout. For extensions.py, first, it used the CA certification to make the connection safer, and it will connect to MongoDB. For gunicorn config.py, it will update the stock info every hour. Let's talk about main.py. So first, the first function is recalculate holding. So when we want to aggregate the pipeline, and it will delete the old info like user ID and symbol, and we will insert the new info um, into the function. And then the root right here, it will have the user ID symbol that's update, try to find them, and then here is the price info is how we calculate the current price, market value, day change, and also this is how we calculate like total gain loss. Okay, and then the another root is refresh prices. So because we will update the price, like here is we can manually update every 5 minutes, and it will show warning if we update uh, below 5 minutes. Okay, and then we will redirect to main.index. Okay, and then this is the root for transaction. So it will find our user ID and sort by day and return back to transaction.html, and this is add transaction. So here we have insert one because each transaction we will like update one time at a time. And here is the edit transaction. So we can do update one. And here is the delete transaction. We will delete one. And for upload CSV, we can delete many and also insert many, which is what we ask for to complete in this homework. And for export CSV, it will export out the simple quantity, price, date, and this is delete all. So we can clean the whole portfolio. For models.py, so we write because we get the data from MongoDB and we want to that Python know how to use it. So we write all these things. For example, like setting the role for user initially. Now it's the update prices.py. So from the beginning, I fetch from Yahoo Finance to get the open close prices, and because sometimes it will fail because you fetch too many requests. So I also have used FinHub API if Yahoo Finance does not work. Okay, so this is the update stock prices part. Okay, and yeah, basically that's it for the update prices function. Now is the demo part. So this is my web stalker. So if I already have account, I can press login and type my username and password and log in. So right now you can see from the dashboard, we have market value, days change, total gain, loss, and return. And here I have uh, Apple and Tesla, and both of them I have um, bought three, um, for example, and it will calculate the average cost that per one and the current price of the stock, and the value is based on the current price times the quantity you buy, and the day's gain and loss is based on the time right here, and this is the total gain and loss. So right now, for example, I want to add another stock. So like this one, and I buy two of them, and price I will probably 50 and save. So right now I have the latest stocks I buy, and here is the latest data. And you can see from the transaction history. So this is all the stocks I I bought, for example, and I can also delete the action. For example, I delete the stock uh, like this one because probably I have sell it, or I mistakenly insert the wrong stocks. Yeah, and we can go and we can also edit it. So probably the price right here probably is 100, and I can save changes. Okay. And another cool things I made is I also make a night mode. So it can be like this. And another function is I can export into CSV. Okay. And I can add the CSV uh, into the holdings. So to make a difference, I will first first I will add another one. Okay, save. So from right here you can see the quantity is 323. Okay, so if I want to just import my CSV into it, import, and I choose the file, import. Okay, so every transaction is different. It's back to the CSV is 223, and this is by using insert many. And um, okay, so I can also refresh, and this is I can refresh every 5 minutes. So I, if I press this, it will fetch the Yahoo Finance first. If I fail, I fetch the FinHub API. And as you can see, the price is based on this time. So it's the latest one. And I also make it user friendly. So I can also have them become phone size. So okay, like this. This is also user friendly for using your phone. Additionally, I want to show you the MongoDB backend. So you can see right here. So this is my collection, holdings, prices, transactions, and users. So like user, you can see my username and my password hash and transaction. And so it will show all the transaction I made and prices. So this is the previous close, and also the last update is based on what time. And this is the holding, which is the main page. So this is my demonstration for MongoDB. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next video.